Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the channel. If you're new, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button. Today we got a new shoe. What are we gonna do? We're going to be making Jordan 1 lows. So these are the patterns that I have made. I've also been getting lots of questions about me selling patterns or stuff like that. They'll be in the working, so comment down below if you want a pattern. Let me know what your size is. Let me know, what shoe you want. I know that there's lots of patterns out there, but they're expensive, so I'll be having these available very soon, but these are the ones that I actually made on my own. You could get all this. It's all this, so that's what we're doing with right now. So it's what it's going to be is python. There's going to be white python, there's going to be elephant print, and there's going to be black suede, black leather. Now what is the shoe going to be? The shoe is going to be a Jordan 1 low Travis Scott. So I'm super happy about this. I think it's going to turn out really cool. So the side panels and the toe is going to be white python. All the excess stuff like the back tab, the wing, the lace loops, also the toe that goes around the toe box will be black. So I think it's going to be very nice. The Nike signs are what's going to be the elephant print. Change it up a little bit. I'm not too sure what color liner I'm going to go with. Maybe black, maybe white, probably white. That'll be probably just, basic, very simple. The tongue's gonna be white. I might just go with a python tongue as well. I'm not too sure yet for the tongues, on this one. If I could find it. They're a little more of like a squarish on the top for low top Jordans. You got this size, so that's like the Air Jordan 1 kind of top instead of, what we got right here, which is a little bit longer for a Jordan high. So for this one, we're gonna be using a little bit thicker foam, stuff like that, but I got everything ready. So I'll show you the other materials and then we'll start cutting. So this is the elephant print, very basic, simple. I'm not too sure if I showed you in the off-white video, but this is the same material that I used for the off-white Jordans. I'm super happy that I got my hands on this material because I'll be using it for lots of projects. And then just the normal black suede. This is the same leather that we use for the Reaper Jordan Travis Scott's. It's pretty much going to be the same exact colorway, I guess you would call it, as the Travis Scott Reapers that I made, except that was just normal leather. This is going to be python instead of the white leather on that, and then instead of the ostrich skin, we're going with the elephant print. Change it up a little bit, but I think it's going to be very cool, a little bit different. I might change it up, different areas. I'm thinking, because I have some ideas on what I want to do with the stitching, stuff like that, kind of change it up a little bit. But once we get there, then I'll explain it. But for right now, I'm just going to start cutting out material, start tracing everything out, and get ready. All the materials I'll be using, very simple, very basic. Obviously, we got our materials that we're going to be cutting. I got the heat erasable ink right here. All the links will be down in the description if you want to get your own stuff. This is, just normal scissors. I got scissors, and then I also got an X-Acto knife right here. I don't really use an X-Acto knife anymore just because I feel like I'm a lot better with the scissors, so that's my personal opinion. But for right now, I'm just gonna cut everything out. I think for the python, I'm definitely gonna have to, back it, make it a little bit thicker because this is just too thin for what we're working with. So also with that being said, I gotta cut out all the foam and stuff. I customized the foam. If you've seen my video previously, I think it was probably about 20 videos ago or so, the Moonyard Jordan 1 lows, it's gonna be the same pattern. I changed a little bit up just so they're a little bit more accurate, because the thing with pattern making is you don't really get it correct on the first try. So I'm gonna get right to cutting, stop talking, I'm gonna get right to cutting, and then we'll go from there. I got this cool merch, go check it down, link in the description. I got this one bleached. Also I got it just normal black, very nice and simple. We got the drip logo on the back. We got the standard logo as well. It's gonna be red, black, and white. So go check that out, links in the description. It helps out the channel, and let's get to cutting. So very simple. I got my pythons all cut now. I got the black suede all cut down. All that I got to do is cut the elephant print. I got a couple stencils right now, but why I haven't done it yet is because, you know, throughout this process I'm still making my own patterns for the shoe, so I haven't made the reverse Nike sign yet. This is one from a previous shoe that I made, but it's not as accurate as, like, for example, the Travis Scott's I just made. So I'm gonna redo the Nike sign, kind of adjust it from there. We're gonna slap it on. It's gonna be elephant print. I already have the normal Nike sign right here, you know. As you can see, very simple. The Travis Scott ones, the inside Nike sign's a little chunky, as you can see, compared to the normal ones. So, for example, this one's gonna be a little bit more chunkier for the Travis Scott inside, the low Jordan. So what I'm gonna do now is get all my patterns. I'm gonna start tracing stuff out until I pretty much get a pattern that I like. From there, I'm gonna pretty much just measure it on the side panels to see where I like it, as well as the wings. Kind of see where I wanna put it, where it fits perfect. And then from there, we're pretty much gonna start stitching everything together. But for right now, I'm gonna kind of adjust that pattern. Then we're gonna cut it out on the elephant print and then go from there. So let's get back to that. So everything is finally cut out now. Let me know what you think. I think these are gonna come out super nice. I'm super happy with how they're turning out so far. You know, just normal black suede, white python. You got the elephant print. The elephant print really stands out. You got the toe box, toe. I'm thinking about doing a two-tone. So either the top half is white and then the bottom is black, or vice versa. Not too sure yet. I'm also going to be doing a lot of different stuff on this that I haven't done before to change it up a bit. So I'm going to kind of change some threads and stuff like that just to see what it looks like and how it comes out. So like, let me know if you think it would be cool to, you know, do maybe white stitch on the black, so you got that contrast going on. We got the second shoe right here though, but this is pretty much how it is looking so far. I think these are going to come out very nice. Super nice. Let me know too if you think I should put something on the back tab, if I should put, you know, my logo, or if I should put the Jordan logo or something in gray or in white, something like that. I think that'd be cool as well. Maybe black, a little black on black. You can't really see that, but I think that would be super clean. But this is kind of what it looks like. This was all my own pattern, you know. Took a while just to get this Nike sign, you know, that reverse. So we're going with that. But for right now, this is what we're working with. I think these are coming out really nice. I think these are going to be some really cool shoes, especially the things that I have in mind with these. So I'm super excited about starting these. The next video the next video is going to be podcast, and after that it'll be me stitching these. Let me know if I should do like different things, like the white stitch on the black stitch. Maybe I'm going to do black stitch on the elephant, you know, it'll be nice and clean. But let me know if there's like anything other stuff like that would be cool. Maybe all white soles, all black soles, maybe just a white midsole, black bottom. Keep it simple, nice and simple. I'm not too sure, but you know, this is what it looks like. You know, we just got standard python. We got all of our materials cut out. So I can't wait to start on these, but for right now, this is all the material. Thanks for watching this video. I'm super excited to start on these. Make sure to like and subscribe. Check out all my other videos. Cop yourself some merch. You don't want to miss out on this. Thanks for watching and have a great day.